Hello and welcome to the tutorial series by QuickSite.com. In this tutorial we are going to go over how to create polls and surveys like found here. And this process is very simple. Just go into your backend and under components there will be polls. And obviously you see that I already have one poll in place. How do you like this system, which corresponds to the poll right here. How do you like this system? So let's create a new poll. And the title generally should be the question that you want to ask your users. So for example, let's ask, who is better? Alright, and this is what we are presenting to our users. And you can select the seconds between votes or the lag, whether you want it to be published or not. Yes, we do. And let's say option 1 is Google and option 2 is Yahoo. So what have we just done? We've created a poll or a survey, however you want to look at it, that asks who is better, Yahoo or Google, and that's the two options you get. If you want to add another option, you certainly can. And you hit save when you're done. Whoops. If I can spell, who is better? And once you've done that, now it is time to create a module to hold that poll. So remember, a module is a specialized box that holds different functionality, including other menus like the main menu. But here, as you can see, I already have a survey, and it's actually a module, a poll module. I mean, it's a special box all for it, and it's sitting on the right hand side. Let's take a look at the one already in place. I named it survey, and I told it to show the title, and that is why you see the word survey there. If you remember, the name of the poll is how do you like this system? Again, the name should be the question, and it's sitting on the right hand side, which yes it is, it's on the right here. And again, the menu assignment, if I want it to show on selected pages, then I can do that. Again, you would just hold Control as you made your selections. If you want them to show on all pages, you can just select all. So I'll select all for this example. And again, we're just looking at the one that's already in place. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel out, and I want to create a new poll. So I'm going to go to New Module. I'm going to look for that specialized box that will hold a poll, and there it is. And I'm going to call this IT Wars. And I'm going to choose for this just to show up on the left hand side. And over here it asks me which poll do you want to show. Well, I already have this poll up. How do you like this system? And it's right there. So obviously I want to select the poll I just made, who is better. And I'm going to hit apply. And if we go to the front of the site and refresh, you'll notice that it has created a new poll. IT Wars, who is better, Google, Yahoo, MSN. And when you vote, it'll take you to the results. And as you can see, there's only been one vote. I just made it for Google, and it tabulates the results for you. Again, that's what a module is, a box with very specialized features and functions. So this is the poll module, which of course has specialized features and functions that allow you to offer your users surveys and polls, have them vote, and it tabulates the results. So again, even if the user goes to another page, I've told this module to show on every page, they can always click the results button and it takes them to here. And the nice thing about it is you also have a poll selector. So you may want to go to this poll or switch back. And that is how you add a poll. And as you can see, you can get very creative with this and generate a lot of interactivity and feedback with your user base. And that concludes this tutorial.